Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to remove SIM card lock in Oppo A5s mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. Okay guys, sir, and settings, okay, scroll down and find the additional settings, okay, click this. And okay guys, sir, in additional settings, okay, you can see the device in privacy, okay, click device in privacy. And okay guys, sir, in device in privacy, okay, in encryption and locking, you can see the set up SIM card lock, okay, click this. And okay guys, now you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2, okay, you can select the SIM with lock. Okay, so okay guys, to remove the SIM card lock, okay, you can see the switch button here. Okay, you'll have to do is turn off. Okay, and after that we need to enter the SIM pin. Okay, and okay guys, after you enter the SIM pin, click OK on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, pin unlock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully unlocked the SIM in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.